Hello my dear students, I hope you all are doing well. Once again, welcome back to our online classes. Today, we are going to discuss chapter number 6, that is formatting a document. So let's start. Formatting means changing the appearance of a text. So, the name of the chapter is Formatting a Document. So let's start. Formatting. Formatting means, what does it mean? It means changing the appearance of a text. Okay? Changing the appearance of a text or changing the appearance of a document in which you are writing the text, you are doing some changes. So whatever the changes you are doing, so that is called formatting, or means editing the formatting. Editing what? Editing the properties of a text. Okay, so you are changing the properties of a text, like changing color, changing font size, designing the text, etc. So this is called formatting. Okay, understood all of you? Formatting a document means. Now today's topic, what we will discuss about font, font type, font size, bold, italic, underline, alignments, line spacing, bullet and numbered list, borders and shading, and drop cap. So first of all of you know what is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. Now, font. The character of a specific size and design used for typing is called fonts. What is called font? The characters of a specific size and design used for typing is called fonts. Okay, whatever in which design you are typing, how much size you have taken, so that is called font, or you can say the typing text is called font. Now, font size. What is font size? For example, in your copy, when you are writing something in your copy, so you are designing it nicely, you are setting in your mind that how much size you want in that particular letter, so that is called size. Font size is used to increase or decrease the font size of a document. Now, where you will get this font size button? In Home tab, in Font Group. Okay, in Home tab, in Font Group, you will get Font Size button. Listen, font size means when you enter text in a document, it is displayed in a specific font. Okay, so by default, the font by default means without doing any changes, the font used for text in a new blank document is 11 point. It means it is already set that we are typing in 11, and the text means the designing is in Calibri. But you can change the font of any element of any time, any element at any time. The available fonts may vary from one computer to another depending on the application's installed its version. Okay, it's depend upon that, but you can change, you can do the changes. Let's see the example. Now see, example of font size. First of all, see at the top, all of you know the tabs are there, as you can see. Now in tabs, you can see, first of all, click on Home tab. So this is Font Group. This is called Font Group. Okay. Now, I want to do the changes. So first of all, I have written here computer, the word computer. So for increasing its size, just select it. Go in Home tab, in Font Group, there is a size button. You can see the numbers are here. From here, you can choose any number. So as I am choosing 72, now see, I'm just choosing this one. Okay, so now see, the word is, the text, the size of the text is increased. Now come to the next, applying bold, italic and underline. How to apply? First of all, what is bold? Bold. When we boldface the text, word makes it darker than the rest of the text. Italic. Italic option is used for slanting the selected text to the right. Underline. It is used to place a line under the text. Now, where you will get this bold, italic, underline option? In Home tab, in font group itself, and there is written BIU. Okay, you will see there is written BIU. So that is bold, B for B, I for italic, and U for underline. Let's see the example of bold, italic, underline. Now I have written here save environment. Okay, save environment. Now what I want to use bold, italic, underline. I want to put here. So where I will get these options? C, BIU. B bold, I italic, and U you can see underline. Okay, so for doing the changes, first of all, select it, go on Home tab, in font group you will see bold. Now see, the word is darker now. Italic, the word is moving slanting forward, and underline, you can see it puts one underline under the word. Okay, now come to the next. Text alignments. Alignments. First of all, what is alignment? Alignment refer to set the position of text on a page. Okay, alignment refer to set the position of text on a page. In copy also, if you are writing anything, then you are setting the position of a pen and then you are writing. For example, if you are writing any chapter, then where are you writing the chapter? At the center of the page. Means you are choosing the position of the pencil that I want to write at the center, the chapter name. And the date which you are writing the date at the left alignment, means at the left margin, at the top. So automatically you have chosen that I have to write the date at the left margin. So like this, in your MS Word document, you are setting the alignment, you are setting the position of the text. Now, MS Word provides 4 types of alignments: align left, align right, center, and justify. Where you will get this option? In Home tab, in paragraph group. Okay, just after the font group, you will see there is a paragraph group, and there you will see all these 4 alignments. So, what is left? Align text left means left alignment. It places the selected text to the left margin. By default, it always aligns to the left margin. Means whatever the text you are writing in your document, it is always set to the left. Means it is setting the alignment to the left side. And without changing anything, by default it is always aligned, means it is always set to the left margin. Second is align text right. It places the selected text to the right margin. Means you are selecting the text and you are writing it at the right margin. Okay, for example, if you want to write the author's name or your name or date or your signature, then we are setting it to the right side. So we can align it to the right margin. Third is center align. It places the selected text in the center of the left and right margins. Means it is putting the text at the middle of the page. Okay, middle of the page. And what we are writing at the middle, at the center? The heading or the title. Okay. Next is justify. It places the selected text evenly between the left and right margins. Evenly between means the left margin and the right margin is equal, and it is setting the text just in between. Evenly means equal from the left and equal from the right. Okay, and what are we writing in justify align? The paragraphs. Let's see the example. Okay, now see the example of alignments. You can see. Now this alignment option, first of all, what I am doing is, now see, this is the icons. This is left align, this is center align, then right align, and then justified. You will get this option in home tab in paragraph group. Okay, so for example, I am writing some text. Text paint. Okay, now I am selecting this one, and I am just setting the center alignment. I am choosing the center alignment, and you can see the text paint position is set to the center alignment. Okay, I am changing the color also. You can see how to change the color, and I have chosen the bold option also. Okay, now again, as you can see, I am changing the set position of the cursor to the left side for writing the text. See, one sentence I have written here. Children, you have learned how to draw in TuxPaint using various tools. Now, I am using the alignments. Let us make beautiful and colorful drawings. Okay, now see, as you can see, it is already set to the left alignment. You can see the left alignment is chosen. Now I am choosing the center. You can see this is called center alignment. Okay, now this is the right alignment. At the right side, you can see it is setting the margin to the right side. Now this is called justify, evenly between from the left margin and from the right margin. Okay, now line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text. We can also increase and decrease the line spacing between a paragraph. Line spacing means we can put the space between the lines between the sentences, or we can also put the line spacing between a paragraph. Or in paragraph, we can set the line spacing to the left side or right side or between the paragraphs. Now, where we will get the line spacing button? In home tab in paragraph group. Now see, let's see the example. Now line spacing, example of line spacing. I have written one paragraph here, small, 2 sentences or a small paragraph you can say. Now this line spacing button is present in home tab in paragraph group. Now see, this is line spacing. Okay, this is line spacing. Now for setting the line spacing, I am keeping my cursor here, and now see, these are the numbers if you want to give space between the sentences, between the lines. So I am choosing the numbers, and you can see it is increasing, the space is increasing between the sentences. Okay, now the another thing is I want to give space between the paragraphs. Now there is indent and spacing. You have to click on line spacing options and you will see indent and spacing here. Now indentation is used to do spacing to the left or right of the paragraph. Left side or right side of the paragraph I am increasing, and you can see it is increased. Means the space is there in the left hand side, shifting the paragraph to the right side and giving the space to the left side. Now I will show you how to do. See, this is spacing. I want to give space between 2 paragraphs, so I am just clicking on before, means just this paragraph. Before this paragraph I want to give space. Now see, I am choosing the numbers, increasing the space, and then OK. As you can see, I have increased the space here. Okay. See, again left indentation I have done. So you can indent to the left or to the right side of the paragraph. Now next is creating bullet, means bullet and numbered list we will study. So first of all, bullet. How to create bullet? What is bullet? First thing is, what is bullet? A bullet is a small graphic symbol that sets off an item in a list. Okay, sets any item in a list. For example, if I am writing any topic and then subtopics are there, then we can use bullets. You can see the example. These are the types of bullets in MS Word. You can see these are the types of bullets which you can use in your document. So where we will get this bullet button? In Home tab, in paragraph group. See, the yellow highlighted one you are seeing now, this is bullets. Okay, let's see the example of bullets. As I have written one sentence here, now where we will get bullet option? In Home tab, in paragraph group. See, this is bullets. Okay, click on this button. Before clicking, first I am setting my cursor here, then click bullet and choose any bullet from here. Okay, okay, now if you will click enter, automatically bullet will appear here. Okay, automatically the bullet will appear. Or if you want to erase, just click on backspace, it will be erased. If you don't want, just click on backspace, it will be erased. Okay, like this you can put bullets in your document. Now creating numbered list. Numbers are used to apply numbering effect on the text. Okay, as my choice, if I want to use bullet, I am using bullet. If I want to use numbers, I can use number, but somewhere we are putting numbers. Okay, so numbers are used to apply numbering effect on the text. So there are the types of numbers, either 1 2 3 1, then Roman number 1 2 3, A B C, small a b c, Roman small a b c, 1 2 3. So many types of numbers are there. You can choose anyone according to your choice. According to your choice you can take. Now this option is present in Home tab, in paragraph group. Okay, just after the bullet option. Now see the example. Now this option is present in Home tab, in paragraph group. You can see I am deleting the bullets from here. Now I want to put numbers here. Keeping my cursor here, in Home tab, in paragraph group, just after the bullet there is numbering option. Numbering button is there. Now click this one. You can see so many types of numbers are there. So I am choosing any one. See, this one I want to choose this one. So like this you can apply in your sentence. If you will click enter, automatically the next number will appear, that is 2. See, the next number will appear automatically. Again enter, and the next number will appear. If you don't want, just click on backspace, it will be erased. You can put the numbers from the keyboard also. Okay, you can put the numbers from the keyboard. You can put the symbols from the keyboard also. Okay, Now here, as I am choosing this one and I am writing something, see, automatically 2 will appear, automatically 3, automatically 4. Okay, like this, just press enter, automatically the second number will appear. Now next is applying borders and shading. How to apply borders and shading in your document. So, to improve the appearance and readability of the text, we can add a variety of border and shading effects to the paragraph and entire page. Okay, if you want to put border in your paragraph, then you can put. If you want to put border in your entire page, then you can also use this one. Okay, so this option is also present in Home tab in Paragraph group. Now let's see the example. This is my document page and I want to put borders here. So where I will get this borders and shading option? In Home tab in Paragraph group. See, just here, this is borders and shading. Now see, so many borders are here. I want to place border. Just after this sentence I want to place bottom border, then see this line will appear. Okay, top border just above from this second sentence, then click on top border, keep your cursor there. Before applying you have to keep the cursor there. Okay, without giving instruction to the computer can't understand. Now I am applying the border in this particular sentence, then you can use the borders. Okay, all borders like this. Now no border, if you are clicking no border, then it will be erased from here. Now the second one is I am using this borders and shading option. Now I want to put borders on my page. Okay, then click on page border. From here you can choose the styles. If you want to put lines, you can choose the style. If you want to put the color from here, you have to choose the color, and you want to increase the width, just increase the width from here, means chaudai. Okay, and okay, see, this type of border you can place in your document page. Again, now see, I have done this one. Next I want to show the art. This is art, means I don't want to place a line, I want to make some designs. Then click on page border, then click on art, and so many designs are here. Okay, so many. You can choose anyone from here. Okay, are you seeing this one? So many borders, art pictures are there. So just choose anyone from here. I'm choosing this one, and okay, see, looking very nice now. So like this you can put border in your entire document page. Next is applying drop cap. Drop cap, very important. Drop cap effect is used to give a graceful look in your document by applying drop cap effect to the first letter of the paragraph. For example, you have seen in the newspaper how the news are written in the first page, first line. As you can see there, the first letter is bigger than the next letter. It is bigger, वो बड़ा होता है, and then it continues the sentences or the article or the paragraph. Okay, so drop cap effect is used to give a graceful look in your document. Okay, we are putting the effect inside it. So where we will get this drop cap option? This drop cap button is present in Insert tab now. Where is Insert tab? Just after the Home tab. click on Insert tab. Then in Insert tab in Text Group, you will see the drop cap button is present there. I'm showing by giving the example. See the example here. Example of drop cap. Now see, after the home tab, insert tab is there. In insert tab, this is drop cap. Okay, this is drop cap. Now 3 drop caps, none, dropped. Okay, so I am choosing this one and you can apply it. After applying, first of all you have to select the first letter. After selecting the first letter, choose the drop cap option. Okay, now you can increase or decrease the size also. Just click here, it will be selected. From the corners, just click on the mouse and you can increase or decrease its size. You can place it by moving it. Now see, like this you can place it nicely. Now it is looking very nice now. Okay students, so that's all for today, and this is I have completed this chapter also. Try to practice this in your computer, in your home nicely, and I hope all of you understood it nicely. Okay, so thank you children. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.